The top 5 FAQs about CR1 visas. Boundless looked at Google search trends and compiled a list of the top questions asked about CR1 visas. Let's get started. What is a CR1 visa? A CR1 visa is an immigrant visa issued to a person who has been married to a U.S. citizen for up to 2 years. The CR in CR1 stands for conditional resident. If you've been married for less than 2 years, your green card will be marked CR1 for conditional green card. This type of green card is valid for only 2 years, at which point you and your spouse must jointly file another form to remove the conditions, giving USCIS one more opportunity to make sure that the marriage is authentic, and then get a permanent green card. If you've been married for more than 2 years, your green card will be marked IR1 for Immediate Relative Green Card. This green card, also called a permanent green card, is valid for 10 years, and renewal is typically a simple process. How long does a CR1 visa take? The processing time for I-130s in June ranged from 13.5 to 19 months for U.S. green card holder spouses, and 15 to 20 months for immediate relatives of a U.S. citizen. Timing depends on the USCIS field office that receives your form and the family relationship. After that, there's a 1 to 2 month window for the interview and approval. What's the difference between a K3 and a CR1 visa? The K3 visa and CR1 used to serve the same purpose, but the K3 is no longer applicable. Essentially, the K3 allowed spouses of U.S. citizens to come to the United States and change status to get a conditional green card. Now, the CR1 covers all of that. It's less expensive, and there are fewer steps. The CR1 visa also allows spouses to have a conditional green card as soon as they come to the United States. How much does a CR1 visa cost? Consular processing fees can vary. It just depends on the type of green card you want. For family-based and marriage green cards, there's a $535 filing fee for Form I-130, a $445 NVC fee, and a $325 application processing fee. You'll also have to pay for a medical examination, with costs varying according to your home country's healthcare system, and you may also have to pay a fee to your local authorities to obtain police certificates. CR1 visa travel restrictions. The coronavirus pandemic led to the suspension of U.S. visa services around the world. As restrictions start to ease, most U.S. embassies and consulates have resumed certain immigrant and non-immigrant visa appointments. You can learn the current status of visa services in your country by hitting the link on your screen. What CR1 visa questions do you have? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boundless for the latest in immigration news. Thanks for watching.